Tomorrow morning's commute is certainly going to be an interesting one for a lot of people.
A little bit dicey. I mean, snow will be beginning here in New York City. I don't think it's accumulating on the roads for the commute, but over parts of Long Island, it will be, because by then temperatures will have fallen. The snow's coming down heavier, especially over eastern Long Island, and there can definitely be some issues tomorrow morning. We head outside right now, and the Empire State Building is lit up for Super Bowl 50, and apparently later on tonight, it's going to act as a virtual scoreboard for the game. 42 degrees right now. That wind coming in from the east at 8 miles per hour. Got up to 47 after a morning low of 33, so temperatures well above average for this time of year. Actually, only 7 degrees shy of a record. That was 54 set back in 1938. Here's what to expect. That snow developing just before dawn tomorrow from New York City and points south and east. I think accumulations will range from an inch or two in the city to 6 inches or more over extreme eastern parts of Long Island. Another batch of snow on Tuesday can leave an additional 1 to 3 inches. So when you add these two systems together, much of the region will get several inches of snow between tomorrow and Tuesday night. Minor coastal flooding also a concern through Tuesday with the higher than normal astronomical tides and the onshore flow. Right now you're 39 Morristown, but 37 at Belmar and Toms River. You need the temperatures to get colder for that snowfall to fall and to accumulate. It will happen by later on tonight and to tomorrow morning as some of these heavier bands of precipitation rotate onshore. But thankfully, the real brunt of this storm, the real meat of this storm will stay well off to our south and east. Here's what we're looking for snowfall start times. Around 4 a.m., eastern parts of Long Island, down over parts of the Jersey Shore. By 7 a.m., so by around daybreak, we get our first flakes here in New York City. It probably takes until 10 a.m. or so, areas well north and west of the city. The back edge of the snow can make it all the way back to western New Jersey, but we're not expecting much in the way of accumulation over much of New Jersey. But it's 1 to 3 inches of accumulation during tomorrow from the city and points east out onto central parts of Long Island. Now, the eastern two-thirds of Suffolk County, about 3 to 6 inches, and 6 inches or more, that can sneak onto extreme eastern Suffolk County over by Montauk. In addition to that, the wind is going to make it nasty out there. Up to 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts here in the city, maybe upwards of 50 miles per hour, where you get the most snow out on eastern parts of the island. Another snowmaker coming in Tuesday into Tuesday night, a storm system shifting just off to our south. That might be a more widespread 1 to 3 inch snowfall. And then late in the week, it's all about the bitter cold. So it's a busy AccuWeather forecast. Here is your AccuWeather forecast for tonight. Rather cloudy, increasingly windy late. That snow coming in before dawn from New York City and points south and east. We're down to about 35. Cloudy, windy, colder. Some snow, steadiest and heaviest will be to the east of the city. 38 very early, falling down to about freezing once the heavier snow moves on in, and that can allow some of it to accumulate on the roads, especially by about mid-morning. Some snow redeveloping late tomorrow night. We're down to about 28. Snow on and off during the day on Tuesday. It's a flaky forecast. 1 to 3 inches across much of the area, maybe even a lingering flurry on Wednesday, 40. It's partly sunny Thursday, a little bit of a break, and then Arctic air comes in Friday with that front, maybe a snow squall. Look at Saturday, Sunday. Lots of sunshine, but highs only in the low to mid-20s. Get ready for it.
Yeah.
Important update tonight at 11.
Thank you, Jeff.
All right.
Laura Benke next with sports.
Just one little topic maybe going on. Super Bowl Sunday. It's finally here. We posed the question yesterday, but now we can really say with certainty there is nothing left to say. So bring on the football. First, though, we're going to try a final look at Levi's Stadium before the biggest football game of the year begins. And the Knicks providing a Super Bowl appetizer, if you will, this afternoon. And they almost made it count. Sports is next.